We learned that via Control B we can position or resize a render region. If we do not want the render region to work, we can simply turn off render region here. You see then it disappears. Instead of having to click this all the time on off, we could also Control B, draw a render region over the whole image. Render regions are very useful when, let's say, just the upholstery piece in the top area of this rendering I would like to re-render. The rest stays the same. That's actually one of the main reasons why to render a region for compositing purpose. Render region can also be useful in this 3D viewport, so not only inside the camera. So here, Control B, I can draw a render region too. So everything inside this render region will actually render. Press N, go to View. Here we can turn render region for the viewport on off. This render region primarily actually works with cycles. You see actually here with Eevee, everything is visible. When we switch to cycles, there. So why would I want to do a render region here? Well, the smaller my selection, the smaller the image, the faster the rendering. The bigger the selection, the more it has to render, the slower the rendering. So if, for example, I move around more in a 3D space instead of moving with cameras and I want to do a rendering and not have to render everything, Control B render region there is super useful. And again, with this, we can turn it off. And that's kind of like all that's very good to know about render regions.